It's a 2015 Ford Edge. Stay cool, calm, and connected in this confident cruiser. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. This from the Los Angeles Times. The Edge is a terrific looking piece of machinery, short coupled and athletic, with a long rakish windshield and handsome grille resembling a triple-bladed razor. The Edge has a deliberate and sporty stance that a lot of CUVs coming off as neutered SUVs are missing. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Experience it for yourself today.
Dorsch Ford Lincoln Kia, we have 2 convenient locations in Green Bay and look forward to serving you.